ETC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, since the price was within exactly this move, we mentioned how we can look for trade. That we have the two opportunity with the sharp move flag, and one of them, the third opportunity, I mean the trade setup was third option to have entry above this, because we mentioned we can, even the price was within this move, we mentioned any reversal with the sharp move flag, or we can have entry above this. Okay, and this is what we get, and mostly this one we could trade based on lower time frame, 15 minutes. Anyway, we have been looking for buy, and we mentioned if we get any buy when the price tag 37, this is where we start to manage. If the price tag 38.7, this is where at least move over stop loss to 37 and we can book some profit. Okay, because we mentioned we can expect this one turn to a bigger correction for one more drop, and this is exactly what we get, because we mentioned the way is moving, most of the chart showing us a flat, but here the way is moving also we get this correction. I mean, what I want to say is that we were expected the price to drop. That's why we mentioned when the price tag 38.7, we should book some profits. As we can see, exactly the price tag 38.7 and reverse because of what we get here. Okay, anyway, we remove these lines, we don't need it anymore, and we move to higher time frame, we move to daily chart. And right now we don't have anything to discuss here. The only thing is we want to see how we can look based on lower time frame. And right now we're looking at this correction. Okay, we want to see whether this one can continue and retest this low or not. Okay, and still we can look for this one as a flat one. We can expect one move up. All right, that's why if the price continue and break this low, then from there we can look for continuation. But if the price reverse from here, still we can look for the internal flat for one move up. That means this one can tend to a more complex correction in relative to this. Okay, anyway, we move to 1 hour chart, and as I mentioned, we want to see whether there is a continuation and the price can break this low or not. But if the price reverse from here, then we should know we have internal flat, and we can expect one move up to break this top, and this one can turn to a more complex correction. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now. Okay, and if we get any reversal with a sharp move flag, this is where we can look for buy, and with the breakout of this top we have to start to manage. But if the prices start to correct here, still we can expect the price to drop, because we mentioned of the possibility of the price to retest this low, but we are not looking for sell, and we're more interested to look for buy. That means we're looking for the reversal. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We want to wait and see what we get here. All right, in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update I will share. Thanks.